This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, let's get started. So we have discussed about Intune Win32 application. As you see here, we have uh, three applications so far. So VLC Media Player is Windows App 32, Win32, WinSCP, Windows App Win32, and Java. So there are three applications which you have created. So now we would like to see the status of these application. I'm going to click on this in Java and see the status. Java is installed successfully on one machine, and if I go to the device install status, you see it got installed in client 1. Okay, so Java is got installed successfully. Now I'm going to click on this VLC Media Player. That is also installed successfully. Now I'm going to click on WinSCP. WinSCP also installed successfully. Okay, so I don't see any problem with the installation of these Windows 32 application. Okay, so similarly, you have to try other applications um, and see how it goes. Other applications are installed successfully already. I think let me click on this M remote thing.
I think, have you started recording today?
Yes, yes. Okay, so it got installed
Rajat bhai,
successfully too.
this screen is not visible properly, na? This some is
Which is screen? Are you guys not able to see the screen properly? Hmm?
Yeah, able to see, but it's actually showing from very small letters, Akash, from our end.
Yeah, small letter is okay, but at least you can see it, right?
Yeah, yeah, can see.
Okay, so where is the device? Okay, so the device is here. Okay, some application you have deployed in available, some application you have deployed it in forceful method. So applications are showing up here. If I click on this download and updates, okay, so these applications are installed on your device. Now, when I click on this start and setting, then accounts and access work or school, and then Azure AD and info. So you see, I also get the information about the application, those which are installed forcefully on this device, like 7-zip forcefully it got installed. Google Chrome, right? Mozilla Firefox, then Cisco AnyConnect, M Remote, Remote Desktop Connection Manager, and Putty. These applications are installed successfully and it shows enforcement completed. Okay, enforcement completed. So we can see the application information, what all applications are forcefully installed right from here. So we have seen, let me go back to the Intune portal. Hmm. So let me zoom into this. Zoom in option is available where? Hmm. Okay, I hopefully you are able to see the screen properly. Now I have increased the font size now. So in the app section, let me go to Windows apps again. Hmm. And Okay, so I would like to show you the log file today, how to troubleshoot the application installation. MSI application, I have already shown that to you in the event viewer. You need to go to event viewer and check the status. Now here in this Win32 application, how so you can see the log file step by step. So let me go to the application, I mean the machine, and okay, so the log file for Win32 application is gonna show you a step by step uh, details what happened during the installation. So I'm gonna take you to the log location. So what is the log location? It's in C drive, right? Program files. Sorry, program data. Okay, and then hit enter on the keyboard. Inside that we have Microsoft. Inside Microsoft we have Intune management extension, right? And inside we have logs. So I'm gonna put this log folder on the desktop. So right click on that and then create shortcut, create shortcut or send to. Let me do send to desktop. Okay, so this one is the um, log folder which is there on the desktop of this machine. Okay, so let me double click on this log folder. You see these are the log files. If I click on view and then file name extension, so now when I open the log file, it's gonna open in Notepad. If I open any log file, you see it is opening in Notepad. It's very difficult to open to read this log file in the Notepad. So better we use a different tool, and that is CM Trace. So we will download CM Trace on this computer and use CM Trace to view the log files. So let's download CM Trace. So I'm going to open Google Chrome and I'll go to google.com and type in here cmtrace.exe download. This is a log reader basically tool which will help you to read the log file in this format. So where to download CM Trace now? Microsoft has, I think, Microsoft website. Let me click on this Microsoft. And CM Trace is one of the tool. Let me click on this CM Trace tool, configuration manager tool. Uh, where it is, they have removed it or what? Let me go back. Click on the first one. I have noticed indeed when I am downloading. Okay, I have something part and download. Okay, let me click on machine attack. No, CM trace zip. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one. Probably this will have the CM trace one. Okay, so it got downloaded right here down at the bottom, right? So I'm gonna click on that and then choose show in folder and right click on this and then extract all and extract. So this is the tool basically. Double click on that tool and click on yes. Okay, so I have downloaded the the CM trace. Now I'm gonna double click on this Intune management extension. This is the one. Double click on this and choose this config manager trace tool and always use this one and click OK. Okay, so now what will happen first? It's gonna get the policy, right? And after getting the policy, it will do the detection. And after detection, it will do the download of the application. And after downloading, it will do the installation. Okay, so we will see this step by step. So, 1 minute. So, VLC Media Player, right? First of all, we tried VLC. So, let's go up. Today is 14th of August, right? Hmm. So, I'm going to click on Control F to find and let me type in policy, Policy. Okay, policy and then find. Let's see. Okay, so I think we will have to search with get policy. Okay, that is get space policy, Policy. Okay, I think it's get hyphen policy. 1 minute. VLC Media Player. Let's see. One minute. Okay, sorry, I was searching get policy, but it is basically get policies, not get policy. So get space POLICIES. Okay, so get policies. The first one, what does it say? VLC Media Player. So in this one, it shows us the VLC Media Player, right? That's the name of the application, the version, right? And then application state due to assignment. So whatever you have given the install command line, right? What is the command line? That's the install command line. Uninstall command line. Whatever you have given in the Intune portal, it is giving you all the details here. Okay. So that's the first thing. What happens? So the policy came on 11th of August, right, at 3:57 a.m., right? So that's the time when the policy came to your device. Then, 1 minute. Hmm. Then it is gonna check whether the application is already installed or not. Okay. So in order to check whether application is already installed, let me go down. Okay, I'm gonna search because it's running little slow. So let me search with this one. Uh, so next, what happens? It checks the application, whether application is already installed or not. So it is gonna be process, okay, detection rules, and then space starts. Okay, then find. Okay, so this application VLC Media Player, it is checking whether application is already installed or not in this machine. Okay, so it shows process detection rule starts, and after that, let me see. Hmm. You see, what does it say? Checked this application detected true. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I think I went ahead little bit. So I'll have to go up. Actually, it's running little slow. So get space policy. Hmm. Okay, so let me close this because this is basically the latest file. Let me go to the old file. This is the historical log file. I'm gonna go to the historical one, so that will have all the information. Let me go up on the top. Okay, now I'm gonna find again get space policy, POLIC. Okay, and find. So this is for company portal, right? So company portal is fine. We are basically looking for VLC Media Player, right? So Control F again and VLC, or I'm gonna type in get policy again. So get space POLIC, find. Looks like VLC. Which application? WinSCP. Let me try with WinSCP. Looks like VLC Media Player was already installed on this machine. That's the reason in detection method it shows true, right? So I'm gonna go with WinSCP application. Okay, so Control F and get policy, right? So get space POLIC. This is for VLC Media Player, but VLC was already installed on this machine. So let me try with the different application. Okay, so WinSCP application, VLC Media Player, and Java. Okay, let me check with Java. So Java you have deployed on the same machine or different machine? Device install status, client 1 and installed. Okay, So I'll go back to that device. Okay, so for Java, you see, first the policy comes, and then what does it say? It says path does not exist. Okay, Java application detected false. That means application is not yet installed. Then it says checked under this location, right? And application detection was false. The application, it did not find application. Okay, and then it will start downloading the application. Okay, after downloading, okay, so 1 minute, detection false, and after detection it shows downloading. So downloading comes under downloading download type. Download type, somewhere you will have download type. Let's go down. Okay, downloading app on session 1, and this is the app GUID, and then it will have downloading app somewhere. So it's downloading from where? It's downloading from this link. This is the um, Microsoft link from where the application is getting downloaded. Okay, and after download, it will have download type. Let me go down. Download type. See this one, download type. Okay, so this application is downloaded, and after download, it will do the installation. So the application is what? Application after downloading is it basically saves the file into this folder. C program files x86 Microsoft Intune management extension content incoming, and this is the GUID of the application. It comes under this folder, the destination folder, right? And then after that, it's still downloading actually. Java, Java, Java. Hmm. After download, um, job is complete. You see, DO service, the job is complete, and then it will start the installation. Starts the decryption of the file. The file is now decrypting. Okay, so first it will check whether the application is already installed or not. After checking, it will start the downloading process, and after that decrypting. You see the file validation pass starts decrypting. So file is now getting decrypted, and it says decryption is done successfully. Okay, and it saves the file somewhere in C Windows IME cache. Start unzipping the file. Hmm. So it will start unzipping the file. Okay, and it will save the file from C program files x86 to C Windows. You see, file was downloaded where? File was downloaded into C program files x86 Intune management extension, right? File was downloaded here, but after decrypting the file is basically saved here in C Windows IME cache. This is the location. So every file will get downloaded in C program files Microsoft Intune management extension content incoming folder, and then it will get decrypted, and then it will get saved into this C Windows IME cache folder. Okay, after this it will start doing the installation. You see path does not exist. That means it checks one more time the detection. Okay, and then it will now start the installation. Completed direct detection manager. Now, okay, so it says Win32 app execution using this content, and then execute retry 0. Let's see. So install behavior and uninstall behavior. It has so install behavior regular Win32 app, and uninstall command line msi exec. This is the command line you had given in the uninstallation. Let's see. And this was the command line, the file name.exe, then /s for the installation of Java. So last error 0. So the application ran and the error code is 0, right? And create installer process successfully. So it got installed successfully. Okay. Okay, so installation is done and collecting the result, right? So basically it goes through these process. Okay, installation is done. Now it shows execution action handler completed with action status success. Okay, and again it will do the detection after. Before the installation it does the detection, and after installation it does the detection. So previously it was false, but now it is, you see, uh, it says process detection rule starts, and then start detection manager, and then it checked the file and found the file as true. So application got installed successfully, and it is detection is also true, right? So it got detected. Okay, now it shows handler completed. So the application was installed successfully, and then it got uh, detected as well. So there are multiple phases. Basically, the phase number one is pre-detection. Before the application starts the installation, it checks the application status, whether it is already installed or not. Then downloading, then decrypting the file, then installation, and then detection. Okay, so these are the methods of Intune Win32 application. Are you guys clear with this one? Hmm?
Good, all good.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you the link. Okay, there is let me give it to you. Okay, I gave it to you on the chat window. Can you open that one? So this website gives some information, detailed information. Suppose if you are trying to troubleshoot, can you go up, scroll up? Okay, scroll up. Now scroll down a little bit, go down a little bit. First is, as you see, pre-detection and applicability phase. So application first comes into this one, pre-detection. Then go down. Then it is downloading phase. The application starts downloading, right? Then go down. Then decrypting the file and verifying the phase, and then installing, right? And then detection phase, whether the application got installed successfully or not. Then reporting phase, and below you have the process, step by step process, how the application starts, where the application resides, when the application gets decrypted, right? So this is like background process, how the application will get installed in the device. So you can go through this document that gives more information about the log files and how to troubleshoot in case if some issue is there. Okay, clear? Any question from anyone?
So this is the single log file we need to refer in case of troubleshooting.
Yeah. Yes. For Intune Win32,
Okay.
you can follow this Intune management extension log file.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go back to the Intune portal.
और काशी भाई इवेंट व्यूअर और एमडीएम where we can check log file.
We don't have to check event viewer in this case. We have to go to this Intune management extension. Okay.
Every application we can check only this one IAM.
Not every application. All Intune Win32 application. LOB application, you have to check the event viewer. Okay.
Okay, Kashi bhai, thank you bhai.
Kashif, in my case, Java got failed to install, but
Uh-huh.
if I see the logs for Java, it says
Uh,
execute retry 0
uh-huh.
means
Is the,
means
after installation, is it showing the detection? Is the detection
yes.
true or false? Hmm?
After installation, let me see.
After installation, if the detection is still false, then it is installed successfully but not detecting. So you have to check that
Okay,
the detection method what you have given.
Kashif sent you a screenshot for the VLC player and the assignment.
Okay, you have done that. Okay, good. Okay, so now here at the left hand side in admin.microsoft.com. Let me go to admin.microsoft.com and then I'm gonna go to show all at the left hand side and then billing. Inside billing your products. Okay. So what all products we have taken? We have taken enterprise mobility plus security and Microsoft Intune Plan 1 trial. Now, so there are two products we have taken. We will take one more product, and that is Microsoft 365, Office 365 basically. So let me 1 minute. So it's going to be Microsoft 365 E3 license. Okay. So you need to search Microsoft. Not here. I'll have to go to Marketplace. Sorry, Marketplace, and in Marketplace, um, all products. Yes. Okay. And then I'm gonna click on Office 365. Okay. So either you take Office 365 E5 license or E3 license, anything of your choice. So let me take Office 365 E5 license. So I'm gonna click on details and then I'm gonna click on this start free trial. Let me take free trial. Okay, so type in your phone number, Kirby, and text me. It is gonna send one-time password on your mobile. Yes. and then click on start your free trial below. Click on try now. Continue. Okay, so why we have taken this license, I'll let you know. So let me go back to the billing section and then your products. So in your products, it's gonna show us, yeah, so Office 365 E5 license. So it's gonna get expired on um, 13th of September, 1 month from now. Okay, so we have this license. We have taken this license. Now, why we have taken this license? To activate Office products. Because if I go to the device, right here, and if I launch Office product, it is gonna ask for license. So let me launch Outlook, for example. Okay. So on this device, if I open Outlook or Word document or Excel, it needs license to get activated. Hmm. It's launching Outlook. Let's see. Even if I open Microsoft Teams, that will also ask for user ID and password. You see, sign in to get started with Office, and um, asking either you have the product code or you can sign in, right? So we don't have the product key, and this user also does not have the license key. We have not assigned license to this user. So you cannot activate this Office 365 product until you give the license. Okay. So if I try to, you see, it's not going further. Why? Because this user does not have the license. Okay. So I'm going to click on close. This user Kashif does not have the license. So Office product you cannot utilize until you give license. What about Teams? Let me see the Teams. Okay, so let's give license to Kashif now. So I'll go to user at the left hand side and then active user, and then this user Kashif, only he has only Intune license. I'm gonna give Office 365 license as well. So let me click on Kashif and licenses and apps, and here I'm gonna choose Office 365 E5 license and save changes. So the benefit of this, Kashif now has two licenses, Intune plus Office 365. So he will now be able to access Office products, okay, on that device or any device, because it's user-based license, not device-based license. So Kashif can log into any device and utilize Office product. So
Kashi
Let's.
bhai, without license, we can't do anything, right? License is must.
Hmm. So now I'm gonna open Outlook again. Okay, let me open Outlook. Probably it will take 5 minutes for the license to get configured properly, and my email account will get configured in the in Office 365 server. But let's see. Let me open Outlook and let's see what happens now. Also, I'm gonna open Teams. Okay. Okay, so email address is by default it's taking, and I'm gonna click on connect, adding Kashif at the domain name. Okay, so okay, it found, and I'm gonna uncheck this box and then click on done. Okay, so it is now logged in successfully. It's not asking for license key anymore. Previously, it was asking for license key, and it was not letting access to Outlook, but now it got configured and I'm able to open Outlook now. Okay. Plus, let me open Teams application. Okay. We will send one test email. Let's see what happens. Okay. So, Kashif, can you type in the domain name CE? I don't remember. No, 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 no. You have to type in the complete email address. No. Delete and type in completely again. And type in your Gmail account in CC. Let's see whether it is sending emails outside as well or not. Test email. Send. Okay, so it is basically you are receiving the test email. The email is working fine, and you will also receive email on your Gmail account as well. Okay, and this Teams is also working. Okay, so why I have used, I mean, activated this product, because in next session we will see the application protection policy, how we can protect this application, Office 365 application. Okay, clear, everyone?
All good.
Did you receive email on your Gmail?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
You have received? Not yet, or you have received?
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Probably you will have to wait for some more time, or maybe you check in spam folder. Okay.
I will check. I received it on spam.
You received it in the spam?
Yes, on spam.
Okay. Fine. So basically it's working uh, all fine. The Teams application plus Outlook and Word, PowerPoint, Excel, everything will work as expected. Okay. You will not get any pop-up to activate.
काशिफ
Any
भाई,
question?
ये ओनली वन क्वेश्चन। काशिफ भाई, ये हमारा जैसे आउटलुक की आईडी है, आउटलुक से आउटलुक पे तो जैसे जाता है, और ये जीमेल वाली पे क्या करना पड़ता है हमें भेजने के लिए, आउटलुक से जीमेल पे?
You just have to type in Gmail account to send email to Gmail simply.
आउटलुक में कुछ सेटिंग होती है क्या काशिफ भाई, जैसे ऑफिस से भेजना होता है?
Mhm. We did not do any setting, right? We just activated the user account. We gave license to the user and we sent email outside, and it's working.
ओके
You see, you
ओके
see, we received email as well from Gmail, right?
ओके काशिफ भाई, ओके, थैंक यू भाई।
Okay, any other
Sorry, guys,
question
I'm
from
dropping
anyone?
off.
Any other
All
question from
good. All
anyone?
good, man.
Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, okay? And then we will see the application protection policy. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye now. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Kashi.